Welcome to the shed. I'm Syd and Mackie's on the camera. You may have noticed it's been a while since we posted a video, so we wanted to pop on today and kind of explain why that is and what our vision is for the channel going forward. If you've been following for a while or following our vlogging channel, Syd and Mackie, you know that I had a very bad injury in 2020 and I spent close to a year and a half off the bike. When we started filming the videos for this channel, which was about a year ago, I was in one of the lowest spots I've ever been, both mentally and physically. I was in a really bad headspace, and starting this channel was kind of my way of clawing myself back to some normalcy. As you guys know, 2020 was a wild year.
This outbreak could become a pandemic.
The death toll in this country surpassing 20,000.
Have no approved treatments for the virus.
Nothing was normal. Mackie wasn't racing because of the pandemic. I wasn't racing because of my injury. I wasn't able to ride. It was a really rough time. But by starting this channel, I felt like I was doing something productive and I felt like I was helping people. And I was also learning a lot myself, and I finally felt like I was starting to prepare for a future where I would be racing and riding bikes again, and I would be a lot better at doing bike maintenance when that day finally came. The good news is that this year I have been able to ride my bike. I am nowhere near racing shape yet, but I've been able to ride for fun, and I'm really, really grateful for that. And Mackie's been able to start racing, and we've had a much more quote-unquote normal summer. We've been traveling a lot. He's been racing a ton, and I've been slowly working myself back into shape. I've been able to do gym workouts 3 to 4 times a week. I've been able to ride. I started riding an e-bike, and recently I've been able to ride the acoustic. I've been able to ride the acoustic bike for an hour or a little bit longer, and I'm starting to feel like I might get my racing career back. The downside of all of this is that we are way more busy than we were in 2020. In August of 2020, when we started filming these videos, I was doing nothing except planning these videos, filming them, and editing it. That was it. Now we are obviously doing way more. I'm able to train again, we're traveling, racing, all of that, and suddenly we have fallen way behind on making videos for this channel. This is all in all a good thing because my goal has always been to get back to riding and racing, but I also want to make sure that we are making time for this channel.
Yes. Do you agree? Yeah, we haven't made enough time for you either, have we, Jackie?
Yeah, Jack says cuddling time has not been what it was in 2020. Buddy, get a grip, literally. Preferably not in my skin. I'm extremely proud of everything we've accomplished on this channel, of everything that I've learned to do with Mackie's instruction. I was hopeless at bike mechanics before we started this channel, and now I like to think I'm actually pretty decent. I really do feel like I could tackle anything that I encountered in a race situation, and maybe not anything. I really feel like I could tackle most common mechanicals in a race riding situation, and I hope that this channel has helped you feel more empowered to do bike maintenance as well. We posted our first video on October 1st, 2020, and it was about installing rim tape. Our videos have gotten a lot better since then, but this one did get 83,000 views, which was crazy. Since then, we have posted 66 videos, including YouTube shorts, and gotten upwards of 26 million views, which is insane. Our most popular short video is about installing the Victoria airliner, and it has 18 million views on its own. Our most popular longer form video is this one about doing a gravity bleed on Shimano brakes, and it has 300,000 views. Over the past 11 months, this channel has grown from 0 subscribers to 84,000. Huge thank you to all of you for joining us here and thinking that we're doing something worthy of hitting that subscribe button. So we took a pretty long break. We haven't posted videos for over a month at this point, and you know what? I think that was okay. We needed that time to kind of reassess our goals for this channel and our goals for our other channel. So here's what's gonna happen. We definitely want to keep this channel going in the future with whatever else we have going in our lives. We just need to work a little bit on our personal time management and also some other more practical concerns like the heating in the shed. We would love to have this channel be our focus over the winter so that we could bring you guys maintenance videos all winter, and then we would probably do less videos during the summer when we're racing and riding a lot. However, you might recall from last winter's video that it was basically just a montage of hats. Welcome to the shed. Welcome to the shed. Shed. And we froze to death. So we have our thinking caps on about how we're gonna solve that particular problem. If you've been missing our videos on this channel and you need more of this chaotic energy in your life, we do have a vlogging channel. I know a lot of you came to this channel from that channel, but if this is news to you, you should definitely go check it out. We've been posting videos there all summer about our racing and traveling, and we've got a really fun community over there. So definitely head over and check that out, and stay tuned next week. We'll have another how-to video for you.